Welcome to our cheesy experiment. Today we're diving into the world of pizza. You hear about the pizza that went to a party? It had a saucy time. Now, let's switch gears from cheesy jokes to a seriously cheesy scenario. Imagine eating nothing but pizza for an entire week. Intriguing, isn't we all know and love pizza? This humble dish, born on the streets of Italy, has charmed its way into every corner of the globe, winning over billions of hearts and stomachs. But have you ever wondered what would happen if you indulged in your pizza fantasies and ate nothing for 7 straight days? Breakfast, lunch, all pizza, every single day. Sounds like a dream come true, right? But what would this pizza paradise do to our bodies? Well, we're here to answer that very question, so if you're a pizza lover who's ever dreamed of a pizza-only lifestyle, buckle up for this deliciously informative ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. So, you've decided to eat nothing but pizza for a week. On day 1, it's a cheesy paradise, but by day 7 you might find yourself in a saucy situation. Imagine the scenario. The first day is a dream. You're in a cheese-laden wonderland where the rivers flow with marinara and the hills are made of dough. But as the days progress, the reality of this pizza-only diet starts to sink in. Day 2, you're still riding the wave of pizza ecstasy. The burst of flavors from the tangy sauce, the gooey cheese, and the heavenly crust are still exciting. But by day 3, the lack of variety starts to take its toll. Your palate yearns for something different, something fresh. By day 4, your body starts to send you signals. You feel sluggish, your energy levels dip. You realize that pizza, as delicious as it is, doesn't provide all the nutrients your body needs. You're missing out on essential vitamins, minerals, and fibers that fruits, vegetables, and other foods provide. By day 5, you're probably experiencing some digestive discomfort. All that cheese and refined flour is heavy on the gut. You're yearning for a salad, a fruit, anything but pizza. Day 6, it's not just about the physical discomfort anymore. You're probably also dealing with pizza fatigue. Yes, it's a thing. Your once beloved pizza is now a monotonous chore. And finally, day 7, you've made it through the week. But at what cost? Your body feels drained, your gut is begging for a break, and your taste buds are crying out for a different flavor profile. So, what's the takeaway from this hypothetical scenario? While pizza is undeniably delicious and can be part of a balanced diet, relying on it as your sole source of sustenance is not a wise or healthy choice. Your body needs a variety of nutrients to function properly, and no single food, not even pizza, can provide all of them. In the end, a week-long pizza party might sound like a dream come true, but your body might not be as enthusiastic. So, enjoy your pizza, but remember, variety is the spice of life.